I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily create an editable digital product for you to sell on Etsy. Now this can be a very good opportunity because it allows you to sell the product for a little bit more, and it's really easy to do. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to the 10daybusinessblueprint.com if you want to learn how to create and sell your first digital product without using Amazon, Etsy, or some of those other third-party sites. Hello, my name is Alston with AlstonGodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income with affiliate marketing, but today I want to help you. All right, so as I mentioned in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can create and edit a digital product for Etsy. Now, if we take a look at my screen here, I'm over at Etsy.com. I typed in digital planner. And one thing that you'll notice is that you can actually charge a little bit more for making a digital product that's editable because it's an additional feature. If you're selling like a plain calendar that isn't editable, that's going to go for, let's say, less than $5. But if you can add additional functionality and make it editable, you can charge as much as $10 or $15. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. It's real simple. It's real plain. It doesn't take a lot of effort or it doesn't take a lot of high-level thought. So what we're going to do is we're going to jump over to Canva.com, and as you can see, I have uploaded a planner template. Now, it's important to know that you cannot just download these templates and sell them. It is against Canva's terms of service. What you will need to do is you will need to make some changes. Maybe you change the color or you change the font or whatever it may be, but make sure that you make this your own before you just sell it. So what we're going to do is, let's say that I made some changes. The next step is to simply download it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to download this as a PDF print, and that's going to save to my computer. All right, so as you can see here, when I open this up, I can't make any changes. It's giving me an error. It's telling me I'm wrong. Okay, so that shows you that we've got a PDF document that we want to edit. What we are going to do is we are going to go over to a website called PDF Escape. And when we go over to PDF Escape, you just need to drag and drop the file that you just downloaded. So we're going to go to 123 PDF. I'm going to drag and drop this right here. And when we do this, it's going to give us a number of options. The cool thing with this website is it keeps everything intact. There are some other websites out there that will mess up the formatting and cause some real headaches. Now, what we can do at this website is we can do a ton of different things. We can white it out if we can white out a section if we wanted to. We can do freehand, so we can add a space for some freehand like that. We can also add a form field. So this is going to be a text box, and we can put that text box right here, just like that. And when people type into the text box, it's going to show up and they can save it. This is good for signatures or, you know, if they want to add notes. And then we can also add just a regular text. So if we wanted to, we can add that right here. I'm going to drag this up just a little bit and do that right like that. And there's a lot of opportunity. So what you can do is you can go through, and what I like doing a little bit better is doing this text box in different places. And then once you get done, you can download this to your computer. Now it's really easy to do. We're just going to click these arrows down here. We're going to click that and it's going to download. Now, whoops, we'll go back here. And as you can see, when we hover over this, this is now editable. We can click here and we can type, "Hi, my name is." And as you can see, it is editable and it makes it a better product than just a regular digital planner. You can also see that I've added in some freehand here, but you go over to pdfescape.com and choose text box. I like text box a little bit better than just the regular text. As you can see, there is a lot that you can do just with the simple text box, but it's really that easy to create a editable digital product. Now what you'd want to do is, the final step is to take this program here, the one that we just created, and then you want to upload it into Etsy. Now in this video, I'm not going to show you how to do that step by step. There are tons of videos out there. It's really easy. You just follow the steps, put in your keywords in the title and the description, and then you want to make sure that when it asks you if it's a digital product, you drag and drop the editable one. And what I recommend is that you change the name of the editable one so that you don't get confused and upload the wrong one. That could be problematic, but it's really easy to get up and running. Now that you know how to create an editable PDF for Etsy, click the first link in the description or go to the 10daybusinessblueprint.com. Now, this is a step-by-step guide to help you create and sell your first digital product in 10 days. As I mentioned, you won't need the assistance of Etsy, Amazon, Redbubble to create and sell your first digital product. So click the first link in the description or go to the 10daybusinessblueprint.com. Watch these videos next to learn more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, Alston Godbolt, for additional ways to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.